Oh boy, who do we have here today?
I'm Callie Goodneck.
Callie, what are we doing?
We're going skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with a total stranger. You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
Let's go.
You're crazy? Was this your idea?
No, it was actually theirs.
Your fault if this goes wrong. Any last words, final comments, confessions in case we don't make it to your next birthday?
No, I think we're good.
For me, it's the same every time. Computer, tablet, and phone. Burn it all, bury it in the desert. Your wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rocket skydive, have some fun. Here we go. Oh yeah. Whoa! Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Let's get in this bird. Get up, get out. Go rocket skydive, have some fun.
Yeah.
You sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
Trust this guy?
Cody?
Trust me?
Yeah.
You're nuts. Let's have some fun. Here we go. Woo! I'll let you find the golf ball. Pull it so you can open the parachute.
Oh.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
The flip. That was pretty cool.
It was awesome flipping with you, bro.
Yeah.
Woo!
Really
Skydive
cool.
Colorado Springs. This could be you.
Hell yeah.